Kyle calls these flowers weeds, but I'm going to pick them because I think they're pretty and they really do look like daisies. So we're gonna pick some for the house and I think they're really pretty. So I've got a cute little basket that I'm going to compile all of them in because we actually have a lot of these so-called weeds or flowers on our property, and so I'm gonna go from each place and pick some flowers for the house because I didn't get any at the store yesterday, and these are just pretty, and there's just something about getting them from your backyard that is just sweet and cozy. So we're gonna do that. Alright guys, it is time for a much needed thrift haul. I found so many good things, so I'm very excited to show you guys a vision for that, but let's go ahead and give you guys a little haul. Okay, so there were many of these little trinkets at the thrift store today. This came with a set, but I only got 2 of what the set came with because, as you know, we're very minimal around here, so because we don't live in like a home yet, I can't get too much stuff because we wouldn't have enough room to hold it. So I found this pretty little pot for $4. The blue flower detail. I think this will be really pretty for 4th of July and even throughout spring and summer. I also found this pot, and this is what caught my eye at first, and so I really love this bakeware. It's so vintage and dainty and feminine, and I think that it will look perfect in the summer and spring, and I could honestly use it for my 4th of July decor, but I can use it year-round because you guys know around here that seasonal decor is just not our thing because of the season of life that we're in, living in a small barn apartment home. But I will take bakeware like that from the thrift store. It's so cute, and I was like, wow, I'm matching this bake. The next thing that I found was this cute little espresso cup. I think this will be so cute to pull the espresso shot in and pour it over ice. You guys know that I love my at-home Breville around here, and when I can find cute little trinkets like this for my iced coffee, I am so going to get it because it's the thrift store, and so you're only gonna find it every now and then. But I absolutely adore the scalloped look on the whole cup. It's just so dainty and cute, and I'm just so excited to use it. But this cute little coffee canister that I Honestly, I saw this and I was like, no, I don't need it. But when we do move into a bigger house one day, I think that this will be so cute in a pantry or on an open shelf above our espresso machine. And I'm even going to use it now to store the coffee beans in, but this is just bigger and more hefty, and I loved the neutral look of it and thought it was just super, super cute. This was $8, which in my opinion is a little bit too expensive, but we went all out on thrifting today, so I went ahead and picked it up. But I found this beautiful and dainty and feminine and cottagecore looking sleeveless top. I just bought some new shorts that I think will look so pretty with this. I don't have a lot of tops like this, but as soon as I walked in, this was the first thing that I found, and I was like, I'm definitely getting this. It was $4, and honestly, it looks very lightly used. This is just so beautiful, and I just loved it so much. And so I went ahead and got what it looks like up close. You have the little roses and this little bow detail at the top. I found this, it's like a butter yellow cream color. Don't really see much of it. And it has this embroidered flower detail on the middle of it. And you guys know, as a barista at my local coffee shop, I'm always looking and thrifting for clothes that I can wear there that I'm not afraid to get dirty. And this will be one of those, but also it's just so cute for spring and summer, out in the garden, gardening, planning summer things, parties and all that, and gatherings. So that is all of my thrift haul today. It was very, very successful, and I'm excited to see how all of these things add to the simple and coziness of our home, and I'm just excited to show you guys how I use them. But for now, we are going to, I think I'm gonna make another latte. It's really gloomy outside, so I'm getting a little tired.